National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in north central West Virginia, east central Mehson County in western West Virginia, north central Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, northeastern Putnam County in western West Virginia, northern Genoa County in central West Virginia, southwestern Gilmer County in north central West Virginia, southwestern Braxton County in north central West Virginia, Roane County in central West Virginia, west central Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, central Clay County in north central West Virginia, southeastern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Arnoldesburg to 7 miles northeast of Buffalo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nitro, Winfield, Clay, Sissonville, Clendenin, Poca, Cross Lanes, Birch River, Big Otter, Kenna, Anna, Walbach, Elkview, Harrison, Bancroft, Leon, Nebo, Stats Mills, Given, and Procius. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 between mile markers 7 and 56. Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 108 and 132. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 45 and 46. Route 19 between mile markers 56 and 65.